How to convert your PDF file into JPG images. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can convert your PDF file into JPG images in just few simple steps. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to convert your PDF file into JPG image, first of all I want to show you which PDF I want to convert to JPG. For example, I want to show you this PDF file. I have 3 images in this PDF. So if I want to extract these images or I want to convert this PDF into JPG, I will just open Google and click on I love PDF, and here you have to click on this first website and just scroll down, and here you can see PDF to JPG. Click on it and select PDF file and click on media picker, and from here you have to select the file that you want to convert to JPG. For example, I want to convert my downloaded file into JPG. For example, I want to select this file and click on convert to JPG and click on JPG images. And here you can see I have successfully converted my PDF file into JPG file. Here you can see I have all the 3 images in single form. This is my first, and this is my second picture, and this is my third picture. So guys, in this way you can convert your PDF file into JPG images. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.